Join the Bug Detective Agency as a junior entomologist in Bugs and Slugs, a hands-on curriculum kit by PCS Edventures. Designed for 1st through 3rd grade, this STEAM program blends science, art, and movement to inspire creativity, inquiry, and collaboration. Each day begins with a riddle and a mission letter that introduces a different cutey-crawly or investigation challenge. Using the tools and skills of real-world entomologists, kids observe and compare how bugs and slugs use their unique traits and special skills to survive. Art projects, movement, and shared discovery keep every learner engaged, active, and full of wonder as they make new discoveries with the Bug Detective Agency. Each STEAM enrichment program comes with 12 one-hour lessons and materials for up to 30 learners. In your first box, you'll find an intro letter with a detailed unpacking list. You'll also find your digital resource license key with instructions on how to access the digital curriculum, lesson slides, and more resources. Your Bugs and Slugs program includes a comprehensive instructor guide and printed student pages. The instructor guide makes it easy for educators of any experience level to prepare for each lesson. Aligned with NGSS, National Art Standards, Common Core, ISTE, Habits of Mind, and 21st Century Skills, Bugs and Slugs is an all-inclusive kit that combines life science and observation into creative, hands-on lessons. You'll receive everything your learners will need to complete the activities, including pipe cleaners, paper, containers, scented markers, toy bugs and slugs, craft supplies, magnifying glasses, UV flashlights with batteries, and more. Bugs and Slugs is designed for turnkey implementation. Bring the exciting world of bugs to your 1st through 3rd graders today. Visit Edventures.com to download a free curriculum sample or set up a call with one of our STEM program experts to learn more.